Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, if you try to purchase app from App Store and you're facing the error, then I'll show you how can you fix this issue. So basically when it's appear, when you try to put your password again and again, and if your password is wrong, and if you try to log in your Apple ID or log in your account in different devices, then Apple think that your account is going to be hacked. That's why they will lock your account. Okay guys, so guys, if you try too many times to put your password wrong, then maybe your account will be locked permanently. So please, if you are facing this type of error, just simply you have to wait for 24 hours and try to check if it's unlocked or not. So first of all guys, you have to open setting first. So here are some ways to recover your account. So from here guys, you have to tap on your Apple ID and just simply you have to go to password and security. Let me tell you that you have to change your password from here. Just simply tap on change password and just simply you have to change your password. So from here guys, you have to change your password and try to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then it means you have any unpaid subscription. So you have to go to setting and just simply pay for them. Go to media and purchases, then tap on view account. Let me tell you that you have to go to your purchase history, and there you have to make sure that if you have any pending subscription here. If you have your pending subscription here for a long time, then your account also will be locked out. Okay guys, so from here guys, what you need to do, just simply have to go to manage payment option and just simply have to check if you don't have any pending subscription here. So if you have, just simply you have to remove it or pay for them, and you can easily recover your account. Okay guys, if it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open Safari browser in your phone and just simply you have to search for sportapple.com. then you have to select your gadget from here and just simply you have to tap on forget passcode, or you can call them and tell them that your account has been logged and you want to unlock your account, and make sure that you are a real owner of the account, and Apple will give you some questions and you have to answer to them, and hopefully your account will be locked out. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.